I consider myself a natural hairstylist, and a lot of people ask, what does that mean? So there's so many different titles that you can put in the industry. People talk about being a colorist, people talk about, being someone who's a barber, and so a natural hairstylist is someone who's specialized in textured hair, just to make it plain and simple. But I do everything when it comes to texture hair. I tell people there's not a texture I don't like working with. So I do locks, I do braids, I do blowouts, I do straighteners, but I try to find the texture that you're comfortable working without putting the chemicals in the hair.
Angie is a person that she lets you know exactly what she's doing, exactly what she's putting in your hair, exactly what you're going to get and expect from it. So it's a lot of information, I'll put it to you that way, but it's information that you take with you, and as you're going through the hair process of getting it back to where it needs to be, you both work as a team.
People come to me for many reasons. They might be losing their hair, they may be just trying to find healthy hair. And so I look at it from an individual's perspective. When you're doing it on a holistic person, you want to make sure that you're taking out anything that is not going to be good for them. We look at allergies, we look at herbs, we look at their diet. So from a holistic point, we're going to take out anything that's not going to agree with their body. I offer individualized appointments to all of my clients. They are all going to be private for you. I like to close my door. We jokingly call them Hairapy sessions, but when you come in, it's your time. So we start off trying to find out what the source is. To me, it's like a puzzle. So I ask them questions, I try to find out what their history is. We talk about their diet. I like to say, once I touch your hair, it's our hair. So our hair doesn't want to suffer. So I'm going to go through and figure out exactly where the source is and then find the solution for you.
Angie, when I found out the ingredients that she used to help get my hair back to the strength that it needed to be, to help get the oils back, and to help give my hair the look that I've been wanting to have, it's just been incredible.
Over the years, I have done everything from aesthetics, which is skincare, then I got into wig making. Formulation was the other part that I had a very good focus on, and then focusing on hair loss. So now into trichology is the newest field. So when you're in my salon, I use quality products. I tell people holistic hair care is a big thing for me, and that has to do with the ingredients. When you're getting your hair done, I want you to be able to use the same things that I use. So I do blendings of custom oils. Some people call them serums. This is actually one of my custom blends. It's called Everyday People. So for example, like the base oil is sweet almond oil. It has aloe vera oil in it, avocado oil, jojoba oil, amla, basil, palmarosa, lavender essential oil is in there, rosemary, vitamin E, and then a great fragrance that is like non-chemical based. So when I'm doing these kind of things for you, it makes it easier for you to have to go through and not overthink it. So when someone's starting out on trying to figure out what's wrong, what's happening, ask lots of questions, write down your concerns, and then go to a professional, somebody like me, a trichologist, somebody who focuses on the struggles that you're going through so that we can answer it. It's a conversation that can actually lead to a lot of answers, and those answers will lead you to the solutions.